Should be more beef just
Cheers. Shabu house.
Let me check in your budget right now and just give us like a few minutes. I feel like we have to do simple closing time, and then we will see you guys later. Thank you.
Wow, look at these Wagyu beef, guys. Oh, so we're making the.
So, you don't get the membership yet?
Can I have a membership? We get another membership.
No, I don't.
Why? You have a membership?
Why? No, why you need to get it?
Exclusive here.
No.
Exclusive?
So one can bring one can bring one. Yeah, so we don't need to. You didn't get it?
We only have one because they activated this one, so we get one more. So I have one. You have one. I don't have one yet. They didn't activate.
I thought you activated it.
No, they said you don't need to. Because then, when you get the second one, you get a free beer.
Free beer.
I don't drink beer.
Where? What's the membership here?
$28.
It says I have $0.
So what's the membership about?
I don't know. I wasn't paying attention. I just
$10 cheaper.
yeah, and everyone you can bring someone else that you can eat as a
Membership price.
90 minutes, ultimate, all you can eat. So they have a silver Wagyu set, gold, diamond. I guess here's the membership price.
Can't do it.
Yeah. Unlimited meats. Well, we'll tell you guys how it is. First time we're here. Oh, we as in they're the second time.
Our first time.
So our appointment, our schedule is at 8. Now it's 8:03. We've been here at 7:45. Let's see how long until our names are called, guys. Oh, well, 8:03.
You bullshit. I have the other side.
You guys enjoying?
So it's right on time.
I have the other
Service is
side.
great. Just perfect settings.
Outside or inside?
Huh? That's it outside? The what? Oh, let's go take a look, please.
You go.
Let's go take a look.
You go. You go. Go.
Australian shoulder. Surprise.
Yeah,
Or
please.
oh wow.
Milk tea.
Look at this one.
I want milk tea, please. Thank you.
These are employee only section. Here you can grab dessert station. Guava.
Hi.
Oh, hello, who's here?
Yeah. David and I'm not.
Milk tea.
Yeah, please. Thank you.
Wow, look at this. So many ice cream. Market. There's so many different options here. The beef bowl.
Thank you.
Here is the seasoning station. Pasteurized eggs. Here's the rice. And then, oh. See what this is. Oh, same thing. Let's see what Lucia's getting. What's you getting, Lucia? Oh. Is that your favorite? Do you want anything to drink, babe?
They're all Wagyu.
Do you want anything to drink?
I have it.
Oh.
So which one you guys want? Silver, gold, or diamond?
Other limited dish.
Meanwhile.
Up to you. We can eat anything. How is it? How is it? Where's? Good? Wow. Look at the marbling, guys. Oh. 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 Ah.
Did you order the
Oh.
Did you order the shrimp?
Yes. Oh, different, right? Oh.
Yes, we should. But then I don't. You guys can order it later. Chili for me, trust me.
So how we do this?
I think you use a cracker and then you put the meat on top and then you just eat it. But you mix the eggs.
Try it.
Yeah. Ah,
I love it.
I ate already.
I ate it already. You just ate it. That's the you ate it. We ordered another one already.
Good?
Miso or soyu?
Whatever you think. I haven't tried both anyone.
What?
You're not supposed to eat it like that.
Who say that? Yeah.
You gotta try it.
Yeah, we'll try it. We'll try it. There's a lot.
Thank you.
Wow, look how many abalone are there, babe.
Thank you. There's 8 of them. Oh, thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Here, babe.
This is, yeah. This is bone marrow.
And another plate.
Yeah. Get another plate. Oh, yeah. Hold on. You want bone marrow? Try it, ready?
Too much work away.
Huh? I remember.
Eat first.
No, I remember. First time when we were in Vegas, he peeled the shrimp from me. And then I'm like, kill more. Give to Lucia.
No, that's everybody wants.
Lucia have one?
Yeah. 38.
Oh, okay.
Dipping here.
Okay. Thank you for the shrimp. I appreciate it.
Truly?
I wait for you.
Truly?
We try to.
I say you truly appreciate me.
Uh-huh. Cheers.
Cheers.
Sweet?
Yeah. You don't see who make it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
So actually get more bone marrow and
Bone marrow?
and shrimp.
Huh? Why?
No.
Huh? I don't want it. Yeah. I don't want it. Thank you. Don't give it to me. Don't give it to me.
Here.
Huh? What? How is it? Feedback. Ooh. Yeah.
Seasoning is good.
Yeah. You get the rest. The rest.
My medicine. I didn't eat it.
No? Oh no, it's jump out.
It's still alive.
Oh no. It's okay, I love you. Did you put 3 of them in there?
Huh? There it is. I think my new
Here.
Oh, right there. Which one is here?
Oh my god, did you come here?
Huh? Oh. I see you.
Can you put it in here?
Here?
Yeah.
Yeah, put it in.
I can buy you Victoria's Secret stuff, okay?
Wow.
Anything you want. Okay, now it's really painful. You
Don't
bind the
do
same.
it.
You bind the same spot.
He's so weird. He's the only person that wearing sunglasses when inside the bath. I mean, the shopping mall.
bathroom?
The shopping mall. And he pretend I'm celebrity.
I'm so lovely.
Our first time.
Okay, here.
Look good for his boyfriend. He just wants to look at mushrooms all the time. Wait, I thought you said you wanted to.
Did you order the seafood
Oh
platter?
my god. What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Why you don't order the whole dish?
Why your face like that? Why your face like that?
I wanna see your hair. I wanna see.